Hey y'all, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparky Marky Mark, and I'm back to do a review, an enveloping and an unenveloping of an item. And what did I get in this thing? Well, enough chit chat, open it up and see what's inside. Like now. Alrighty, so the first item you're gonna see is an 8x10 autograph from TCM2, the Texas Chainsaw Massacre Part 2, signed by Bob Elmore, that played Leatherface in some parts of the film, doubling Bill Johnson as Leatherface. Next to him is his brother, Chop Top, or his cousin, Chop Top. So yeah, if Bill Moseley comes to a private signing or to a screening of TCM2 or so, if he comes, I'm going to have him sign this and another item that you're going to see. So yeah, this was the sequence in the radio station where Lou Perryman, who plays I forgot what was his name, LJ or so, gets voo, and then Chop Top comes and finishes the job. So yeah, so this is an 8x10 signed by the great Bob Elmore. So amazing. On to the next item. Alrighty, so the next item you're gonna see is a 11x14 poster of the movie. It's a big one. So yeah, folks, this is the one, folks. Signed by stuntman and actor Tom Morga, who of course you heard me talk about him in this channel frequent, that he played Leatherface in insert shots in the sequence of the bridge in the movie. That's right, the bridge sequence, which he is playing Leatherface, but using also his Leatherface's brother, Nubis Sawyer, aka the Hitchhiker's corpse, and then using the chainsaw. And then you see Leatherface, which is that. So yeah, he played Leatherface only in the bridge sequence in that movie. So yeah, the next time I see Bill Johnson or Bob Elmore, who else? Maybe Caroline Williams as well, and Bill Moseley, I'm gonna have them sign it as well. So yeah, this is the poster for TCM2. Anyone remembers this VHS artwork from many that was on the VHS art or the theatrical poster of the movie? They're poster variations for TCM2. So yeah, let me know about it. And what do you guys think of the second one? And every young BUCKSs, check out the document, Young Bucks. Check out the documentaries, watch the movies, but also word of advice for you guys: please watch the original, then watch this one. So yeah, TCM2, and also JSA, baby. And hold on. This one, Beckett Authenticated. So yeah, good price, good deal, y'all. Can't get any better. This was the day after Valentine's I got this notification on eBay, and this was an offer. So yeah, let's give a shout out to Bob Elmore and Tom Morga. So y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care, God bless you, hear you, and see you on the next vid. Later, y'all, and enjoy Tuesday.